Hello, I'm Cyril, and this is the ninth database experiment. In this, we have to solve queries on index and sequences. Indexes are special lookup tables that the database search engine can use to speed up the data retrieval. So, moving on to the queries, the first query is to create index on customer ID and customer name of the customer table. Do so, create index CUST in INDX on customer, customer ID, customer name. So by doing so, this is the output, index is created. The second question is to create a bitmap index on the gender field of the supplier table. Answer is to create bitmap index emp bitmap underscore INDX on supplier gender. So this is the output. Now the third question is to create function based index on lowercase of customer name on customer table. So to do so, create index cusInd on customer lower customer name. So this is the output, and you can see the index is created. So here everything will go into lower case, as you can see in the output. Fourth question is to create an index organized table with transaction ID, customer name and supplier ID. So do so, create table index table transaction ID number, the data type for transaction ID is number and the limit is 3, supplier ID having a data type as number, customer name having data type varchar2, primary key transaction ID, organization index, table space users. Output here, the table has been created and this is the output. And when we display the table, here we have the transaction ID, supplier ID and the customer name. Fifth question is to drop the bitmap index and function based index. Do so, drop index and then the index name and drop in index the other index name. So the index will be dropped, as you can see in the output. The sixth question is to create a sequence for the order ID of the order table. Do so, create sequence, order sequence, increment by 10, start with 1, max value 2000, no cache, no cycle. Doing so, the sequence will be created. These are all the 6 questions. Thank you.